Alright, today's video, I'm going to try out the $5 Real Deal combo at Carl's Jr. I believe this is named after Evander Holyfield. I have that game on the Sega Genesis. Alright, I'm dining in today. We're going to see what $5.40 buys you in the fast food world. Small drink. I didn't upgrade. Here's my ketchup right here. That's Powerade. Here's my creatine. Check it out. Old menu. 35 cents for a hamburger. 45 for a cheeseburger. That was back in the day, like in the 1920s. Okay, here's my food. Small fries, a spicy chicken sandwich, and a cheeseburger. What are they advertising on here? Nothing. Oh, they have a rewards program now? I gotta sign up for that. Okay, cheeseburger is a double cheeseburger. Spicy chicken sandwich. Had to take out the pickles. And small fries. I have a feeling I'm not going to be full after this. But we'll see. We'll see after I eat this. The food's good. Carl's Jr. fries, and it's not the best fast food fries out there. I mean, it tastes like fast food fries. It's good. It's alright. Spicy chicken sandwich. It's not spicy at all. It's mainstream spicy. Their El Diablo burger is actually pretty spicy for being mainstream. That's just your standard cheeseburger. So far, so good. Not too shabby for $5. Let me finish this and see how I feel after, see how hungry I am after eating this. Okay, honestly, I think I'm going to need 2 or 3 of these meals to feel full, but I figured out who this is good for. If you only have $10.80 and you have a date, but you want to look like a big shot, this is the meal to order right here. As long as your date is like 125 pounds or less, they'll be satisfied with this. But if they're bigger than 125 pounds, then you're going to have to order more than this. Alright, everyone. Kick ass. Be safe. And take it easy.